Hi, Sarah.
Thank you so much for joining us.
I'm thrilled, thank you.
A lot of people know you from your role on television as Dancing with the Stars judge extraordinaire, but people won't know that you've got this whole other life. And so can you tell us a little bit about that?
So I run a life coaching business. We go into companies and just teach meditation in the middle of the office, basically, in LA. And I work with a studio in LA too, where I teach meditation and hypnosis.
So a few days have passed and I'm ready to start my journey with Camilla into being a bit more mindful and a bit calmer. So today she's going to take me through some meditation techniques that we can all use.
Indeed, I'm so excited. Now, you say I on the in-breath in a moment when we close our eyes, and everybody at home can try this with us, okay? So you say I on the in-breath and am on the out-breath. When your mind drifts and your thoughts pull you away to all sorts of things, you just come back and you just repeat again, I am.
Okay.
Okay. In the beginning, you might find that your brain wants to finish that sentence. So it could be it wants to finish it with, I'm sad. Whatever comes, and that's okay to acknowledge that for a moment. Just let whatever is present kind of come up to the surface to clear.
Okay.
Then you might want to choose something more supportive. If you're going into something maybe at work that you want to feel that boost, you could just sit and say, I am confident, I am calm, I am relaxed. And actually, as we do that, you are telling your subconscious mind how you want to feel. Going to just take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth first. Just let it go. I am. Letting every breath guide you deeper within. Knowing that you have a choice what you focus on. You can focus on the sounds around you or your own breath. I am. I am. You might want to add words like I am calm. And then just gently opening your eyes.
Kind of forgot where I was for a second then.
Good. Right?
Yeah.